Mohun Bagan Supergiant will play Modern Sporting Club at Salt Lake today. Yes, Mohun Bagan wish to have a double on Modern Sporting Club. The Mariners have won 12 games and drawn 4 times in the 18 encounters they played in the season, and they are the first time the team touches the 40-point mark this season. They have won 3 matches and drew 2 in the last 5 games, so they are unbeaten in the last 5 games. And they are 7 points ahead of FC Goa. Mohun Bagan have 40 points, whereas FC Goa have 33 points. So visibility for League Field title for the Mariners. Modern Sporting, yes, they have 11 points in 17 matches, and yes, they won 2, drew 5. So, however, their 5 games heading into this quarter have seen them drew thrice and win once, showing they are coming back very fast. The Modern Sporting are yet to win a home game in the current ISL season, and they have played 8 games on their home soil, drew 3, lost 5. Only Hyderabad, they have played 11 games and drew 2 and lost 9 in 2023-24. The Mariners have kept an impressive 10 clean sheets in the last 18 games this season. They have conceded the fewest goals, that is, they have conceded 14 goals amongst all the teams and have registered the highest goal difference, 19 in the season so far. Subhashish Bose, 34, has made the third most interceptions in the league, whereas Laleng Moya Ralte has 36 interceptions, and he is the second most successful tackles. As for the Modern Sporting's play insights, Modern Sporting have spent 57.5% of their total minutes played this season with the score level, the highest such percentage in the league. Yes, this is the highest percentage they have spent, that is 57.5% of their total minutes they played this season and in the league. In contrast, Mohun Bagan Supergiant 41.4% have been one of the 3 teams to lead for over 40% of their matches, alongside FC Goa, which has 48%, and Northeast 42.6%. As for we come to the set piece, yes, set piece, Modern Sporting have given away 7 goals from corners. Yes, this season Modern Sporting Club has conceded 7 goals from the set piece movement from corner, the most by any side. Meanwhile, no team has scored more goals from corners than Mohun Bagan Supergiant, and Mohun Bagan Supergiant have scored 9 goals from the set piece movement, that is from the corner. Modern Sporting will have to be alert at all times to not permit the Mariners to make promising chances from the set piece movements. Yes, they are masters of the set piece movement, that is. As for the head-to-head record, Mohun Bagan and Modern Sporting have just played 1 game in this season, and Mohun Bagan won 3-0. And we come to the coaches. What did they say? And Jose Molina, Mohun Bagan Supergiant coach, said, "It is not easy to face any team in the ISL." Yes, what Jose Molina said, it is not easy to face any team in the ISL. It's very clear to me that every match is tough regardless of the situation. Yes, there is some situation, there are some controversies in Mohammedan Sporting camp, but nevertheless, Jose Molina thinks that that is different issue, and in his opinion, It's not easy to face any team in the ISL, whatever situation they are from. And for Modern Sporting Supergiant, as their Cherchishnov, their coach, is not here, so on his behalf, assistant coach Mirajuddin Wadu is making every move, every strategy to see that his team comes off with flying colors. And he said, we know the importance of this game. It's a challenge for the players, but we are focused, working, and I am very positive about the game. That is what Mirajuddin Wudu said. As for the key players, Mohun Bagan Supergiant attacker Liston Colasso has attempted 66 shots this season. Yes, Liston Colasso, 66 shots he attempted with 44, that is 66.7%, coming from the outside of the box. Yes, he out of 66 shots, Liston Colasso 44 coming out of the box, which is the second highest percentage for any Indian player, where the that cutoff mark is 20 shots. And Modern Sporting, Alexis Gomes has created 23 chances. Yes, Alexis Gomes has created 23 chances in the league this season, the most by any player yet to record an assist. His expected assist tally of 1.75 is also the highest for any player without an assist in the team. Yes, this Argentine player, that Alexis Gomes, has delivered 34 passes per game at 76% accuracy. But Mohun Bagan Supergiant Patratos has been unable to make a goal contribution in any of his last 4 matches, his longest such spell in ISL history. And the Cummings will be, we will have to see whether he comes into the first 11 or not. So this is the team for Mohun Bagan Supergiant. They are going through their paces. As for the head-to-head, as all you know, Mohun Bagan won 1, and for the Modern Sporting, they have the lineup 4-3-3, that probable lineup Padam Khetri, then Manlal Zudika, Azijai, Bora, Joel Liana, Irshad, Kasimov, Gomez, Lalran Sangafenai, Vikas Singh, and Franca. For Mohun Bagan 4-2-3-1 formation, Vishal Kait, Ashish Rai, Tom Eldred, Albert Rodrigues, Subhashish Bose, Lalring Moya, Ralte, Sahal Abdul Samad, Manveer Singh, Jason Cummings, Liston Colasso, Jamie McLaren. So, all eyes would be on Mohammedan Sporting versus Mohun Bagan match, which would be played today at Salt Lake Stadium, and all eyes would be on this man. Maybe he will come as a substitute, that Greg Stewart, but everything will go fine for this match.